Hello, welcome to APG.STUDIO channel. If you're watching first time, my name is Alicia, fitness yoga expert. And as every Tuesday, we've got our regular session yoga for men because we've got some differences in flexibility, in strength sides. Okay, so as a woman, we are more flexible in our lower body, we've got strong lower body. For guys, just actually opposite, stronger upper but tight in hips. And the best way for injury prevention is to have good flexibility in the lower and the upper body as well, and that's why we've got this special session for you guys. Okay, so you're ready to start right now. You're going to start in down dog position. So you start on your forearm, got your toes stuck under, you're lifting your knees, and let's march on the spot first to stretch and warm your muscles. The long hamstring, your lower back, as well as your chest and your shoulders. Down dog is a great position to stretch upper and lower body at the same time. If you notice, you are more like a plank position, bend your knees more, keep your heels off the floor, and try to bring your belly closer to your thighs. You can watch video from the last week with a little bit of trick how to be sure you've got the right position for your hips. The hips tilt forward. And now when you inhale, move forward to plank. As you exhale, again, down dog. Inhale, slowly exhale. Feel the stretch legs, chest and shoulders. Inhale and exhale, maybe one more. You're going to lift your left leg. As you exhale, bend your knee, swing forward. Inhale and exhale. The right leg could be bent. Your heel could be off the floor. All depends how the stretch is for you today. Maybe one more. Try your right, inhale and exhale. Maybe 3 more times if you can. And now small steps to the top of your mat. Bend your knees. Again, your hips tilt forward, belly towards your thighs to stretch your hamstring glutes. You can reach for your opposite elbow. And now your head, try to relax. So shake it yes and no. Relax your neck. And now reach for your opposite elbow. You can rock your arms side to side. Place your hands on the floor, step back to down dog position. And now left leg, try to reach back, and as you exhale, try to move forward. So moving to plank, and you're pulling your knee close to your chest, and you're reaching to the front. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, down dog, exhale, moving forward. Work with the upper body strength and your core, but also the flexibility in your glutes and your hips. Maybe 3 more. Last one on the side. Now right leg. Inhale, reach back. As you exhale, move to plank. And try how far you can place your foot front of you. You can see lots of transition yoga. If your leg really high and easily landing front of you between your hands. But it's not only the strength. For you guys, it's more about the flexibility in your legs. So this is the way to improve the flexibility, to one day be able to swing your leg between your hands. Last one. And again, small steps to the top of your mat. Remember, always going to repeat that every single time. Knees bent, chest and your ribcage close to your thighs. And now rock your body front and back. Relax your head, try to look back. Now you can place your feet wider than your shoulders width apart. And let's rock side to side. Feel the stretch not only back of your legs, but your hips and your glutes. Maybe even lower back. But you're trying to hold your upper body relaxed. Let's go back to down dog again. Now you've got your left leg back, but as you exhale, try to swing to your side. Again, improving the flexibility in your upper body, but also going to feel left leg, but right as well, hamstring and your calves. Again, if it's too much in your right leg, bend your knee, keep your right heel off the floor. More for upper body strength and your core, the moment you swing your leg to your side, you're moving forward to plank position. Inhale to start, slowly exhale. Great for your obliques. Maybe 3 more. And last one on the side. Okay, now opposite. Right leg. Inhale and exhale. So really feel you're controlling this movement to activate your obliques. So it's not like this. Momentum from your hip joint is very slowly, in a very controlled way, to move your leg. And again, harder, more challenge, move to plank. Inhale, ready, exhale, move your leg, or even body forward to challenge your shoulders, chest and your arms. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. And again to the top of your mat. Remember, control your knees. We don't want straight legs and hanging your upper body like this. We prefer to use our thighs to support the weight of your torso. If not now, it's still much better than like this. And again, you can rock front and back, side to side, depends which stretch you feel is the one you want to do right now. If you're rocking back and forth, you still got tight muscles in your legs. When you're rocking side to side, you need to spend more time and focus to stretch your hips and your lower back. Okay, so just let's do one more. Starting in down dog position. This time you start your left leg out to your left side, and as you exhale, swing and cross behind your right. You're going to feel deeper stretch in your right calf and your right hamstring. Inhale from your left, slowly exhale. So again, stretching lower body, but challenging your obliques on your left side now, and stretching your chest the same time. So now you can see how much time you're saving doing yoga. Instead working just on one muscles, just one group. Inhale. Exhale again. Right leg could be still bent. Your heel could be still off the floor. Still stretching muscles the right way. Maybe 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, right leg. From your left. No, from your, confuse myself. Inhale from your right, exhale to your left, behind your left leg. Inhale and exhale. Again, control, you're not holding more like a plank position. You're trying to move back to keep head between your arms. Inhale from your right, exhale to your left. You can feel the hip on your left side as well. And last 3. And last 1. Excellent. So let's go to child pose. Could be toes tucked under if you don't have that much flexibility in your feet and your ankles joints. Or maybe some of you comfortable to even sit on your feet. Try to hold your chest high. Look forward. Hold position, or you can rock side to side. All right, so that's all for today. I hope it was a nice session. This ambient is at the moment very temporary. I'm filming from our apartment because we are just in the meantime of packing. We closed our studio yesterday. That was the last day, and next session is gonna be from different location. So if you enjoyed this session, please give me a thumbs up. If you know someone who should try, please share the link with your friends. And I'm looking forward to hear how you progress or which muscles you still need to work a little bit more. Leave the comments below, and I make some video. It's just especially for your needs. So thank you for now, and I see you next week. If you're watching first time, check your subscription, check notification bell. Bye guys.